Hello, Footy Janta. Welcome to Footy Appa. We are again back to talk about Euros. I have with me Shaunak. मैं अमेय ही हूँ, थोड़ा अलग दिख रहा हूँ पर अमेय ही हूँ. And today we are going to talk about Group C and D
Group C.
from Euro. Very interesting groups again.
Yeah.
So Shaunak, I think it's better that I share the screen so we can have a look at the teams and
Yes,
also
yes,
give our
definitely.
predictions. So I'll just share my
Please
screen.
share the screen.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah. Great. Today we'll be talking about Group C. If you can see
Hmm.
it properly, just a minute. I'll
Mhm.
just close the tabs. Just a minute. Yeah. I think this is better. Sorry. Okay. So we'll be talking about Group C, which has Netherlands, Austria, Ukraine, and North Macedonia. Yeah. So let's start with Netherlands. What do you think about
Yes.
Netherlands?
The major obstacle for them is Virgil van Dijk missing, and there was news out today like Donny van de Beek is out of the squad because of injury.
I think I'm
And
surprised that Van de Beek is even in the squad after like he's not even performed at United. I don't know how he's in the squad, but anyways, yeah. Go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, but he has been consistent for these guys, no, the Dutch guys.
Netherlands. Okay.
Yeah, and goal in goal, I'll go with. I don't know. Really don't know the goalkeepers of Netherlands, man. Because the last time I saw it was like Sillissen, if you remember.
Yeah. But I'm pretty sure you must be knowing Stecklenburg. He was an Everton goalkeeper. Even Tim Krul was a Newcastle goalkeeper. Tim Krul has
Right,
been
right.
known, is a well-known keeper for saving penalties. So Tim Krul will be
Yeah,
exciting.
yeah.
Yeah.
Team Krul will be exciting, exactly.
But
And
I think
in
still
defense,
start with Stecklenburg because like Stecklenburg is a
Stecklenburg.
long, yeah.
Yeah, I'll start with
Defenders.
defenders. For me, the right back would be
Dumfries.
yeah. Which
Oh,
one?
Dumfries and Veltman are, I guess, the right backs for Netherlands.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, Dumfries and even this Windal, the last one, Owen Windal.
Okay. And I
And
think the center
left
backs.
centre backs, it should be Matthijs de Ligt and
Uh,
Stephen Devry.
okay.
Yeah,
And what about Daily Blind?
left back. Daily Blind, I think they'll rotate na Daily Blind because de
I
Ligt
think
and
they have decent three center backs to rotate. Na? That's interesting.
yeah.
I think
Even
left
Nathan
back.
Ake can also come.
In fact, four good center backs. And with if
Yeah,
they had like Van Dijk, it would have been
hmm.
like a awesome center back.
Bonus, bonus.
Team, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
midfielders. Talk about the midfielders.
Midfielders. Uh,
Frankie De
See, I've
Jong.
seen this guy. Frankie De Jong has to be in the midfield.
Yeah,
Let's assume that they'll play a midfield of three.
yeah.
Donny van de Beek is out of question. Gini Wijnaldum,
Will be
Frankie De
playing.
Jong, and and the
Quincy
third one
Promise.
would be Quincy Promes or even this Ryan Gravenberch because he's a youngster and what a
Yeah,
player, man.
yeah. He's a upcoming star in in
Star.
FIFA also, I guess. FIFA
Yeah.
21 में lot of like career modes में सब लेते हैं इसको.
Exactly.
Interesting.
यार
Yeah.
बहुत सही player है वो.
Now I'll talk about forwards. I think like there
हाँ,
is no doubt that Depay will be playing. He's in amazing form. Luke De Jong.
definitely.
Luke De Jong is another player who was in wonderful form. I think he plays for Sevilla, and
Mhm.
he scored in the finals last time of the Europa League when
Right.
Sevilla faced, I guess, United or someone. I don't remember exactly.
Uh,
It
mhm.
was some English team only. Was it?
And I don't remember.
Yeah, but anyways, so Luke De Jong and Memphis Depay will be interesting. Weghorst is another player that I've heard about, but rest of them I
He plays
really
for
don't.
Wolfsburg. No? He plays for
Yeah,
Wolfsburg, I
yeah.
guess.
So these are
I know this guy. I know this guy. Donnell Mallon. He's a
acha.
wonderful player. He used to play. He used to play for Arsenal at once, and
Is
now he
it?
plays for
Oh,
PSV Eindhoven. Yeah,
oh
he's a lovely player.
yeah. I have seen some of his goals. He's a nice player, definitely. Yeah, so Netherlands looks very good. Yeah, not bad at all. It
He's
will
a
be,
decent team.
and I'm fine. And frankly, I love how Netherlands play, man. Like
Mhm. And
there's
they also have some decent players at their disposal, which is a plus point them. But I think they would miss Van Dijk, and I don't know about Donny Van de Beek, but they have a
Van
decent
Dijk.
squad right now.
Yeah, they have a decent squad, and for their group, I think they have a decent squad. I don't know about how
Definitely.
they'll fare in the round, like quarterfinals and everything, but for
Yeah,
their group, they have a decent and it will depend a lot upon Memphis Depay. If he keeps on scoring like the way he's been doing, I think वो they will be like ranking first. बहुत अच्छा करेंगे.
probably.
Yeah. We'll move to Austria now.
Austria.
सो गोलकीपर तो मेरे को एक भी नहीं पता. Daniel
मेरे को
Back.
defender पता है.
Yeah, so I have no idea. Defenders में David Alaba of course has been there. Is a good set piece specialist भी अच्छा है वो. So
हम्म.
वो भी एक advantage है उसका. Trakovic has been a long time player. Even
हाँ,
Hinteregger has been a long time player. So उनका डिफेंस
ये
वैसे ओल्ड दिखता है because lot of these players have played
हाँ,
like at least 2 Euros. So you can call them old or you can call them experienced. So it depends
definitely.
upon how they like play. Uh, Midfield में Sabitzer has been there for a long time.
I know
So
this guy, Julian Baumgartlinger or something, whatever the first one.
Baumgartner. Oh,
Baumgartlinger
that
or
one,
something.
Julian. Okay. Where
Yeah.
does he play? Any
And
idea?
no, I don't know. I think he plays for Bayer Leverkusen or something.
Okay.
And Lemur, even I know this guy, Lemur.
या लेमर पता है. ये
Konrad Laimer.
शॉफ भी सुना हुआ है. Must be like
Shov भी सुना है यार. Shov भी सुना
some
है.
Europa.
Shov
But
also plays for Schalke. Schalke,
yeah,
I guess.
so their midfield in that sense is not like amazing. So
हाँ.
I don't know. मतलब, it will be interesting how Australia. They always come up with good defensive team. So they get their draws usually. पहले 3 मैचेस में यूरो में एक दो तो ड्रॉ मिल जाते हैं उनको, like 1-1 or
Yeah.
0-0. So a strong team, they play as a team, as a unit. So that always shows for Austria. And Arnautovic is one we know in forwards, but I don't think like
Definitely.
I have seen that उसको खिलाया नहीं है बहुत matches, so I don't know.
हाँ, हाँ.
But and that's why they don't score also good amount of goals. So I think Arnautovic को chance दिया तो he's definitely a player who can score goals for them. But I don't think उसको खिला रहे हैं अभी. So let's see how
Even
it goes.
he plays for West Ham, ना bro. He plays for West Ham, ना अभी के लिए.
अभी खेलता है क्या? अभी नहीं खेलता शायद.
नहीं ना.
I think he's moved to China or somewhere.
Oh.
Yeah. अभी नहीं है वो.
Yeah, let's move on. Let's move to Ukraine.
Ukraine. यूक्रेन में जिनचेंको ऑफ कोर्स मैन सिटी का डिफेंडर. बाकी तो कीपर्स ने, बट they have Shevchenko as their coach, which will
Forward
be
line,
interesting.
you can figure out someone who's familiar with you. Andrei Yarmolenko.
Yarmolenko, the West Ham man.
हाँ, West Ham guy, yeah. सिर्फ दो ही पता है यार इसके.
but I saw their match yesterday. यूक्रेन का उनका फ्रेंडली चल रहा था. They were playing of course Cyprus, which is not like a great team है. But their attacking like players were doing really well. Of course Cyprus ने red card भी खाया, so they got a lot of like 2 penalties. One was scored by Yarmolenko, one was scored by Zinchenko. But they won like 4-0 or something like that. So they had an interesting match yesterday. मैंने उनका क्वालिफायर नहीं, फ्रेंडलीज देख रहा था. So I don't know, again a team like all these especially teams around Russia, like Russia, Ukraine, all these teams like stick together always and like perform in these big tournaments. So Ukraine can perform. It will be interesting to see.
They can be a surprise package, man. Like they can at least bottle someone's.
Yeah, absolutely.
Result.
But अभी तक जितना देखा तो Netherlands have a decent group. Yeah, मतलब वो आराम से निकल सकते हैं इससे बाहर, इट लुक्स लाइक दैट.
बहुत इजी ग्रुप है यार इनका, बहुत इजी है.
Yeah, of course, Austria के against, like they have to. The only chance I can see is like Austria or Ukraine drawing the match against them, but defeating them is a little difficult because attacking उतना power नहीं है, मतलब to both Ukraine के पास and Austria के पास. So I don't know, देखना पड़ेगा. Of course, North
Yeah.
Macedonia इसमें से तो सिर्फ एलियोस की पता है, प्लेस फॉर
Luke
लीड्स.
Alioski.
या ये ल्यूक एलियोस की अलग है क्या? ये एलियोस की मतलब अपना ही प्लेयर है ना, लीड्स वाला. या
ये कौन सी पोजीशन है ब्रो ये? Alioski
डिफेंडर
कहाँ पे दिख रहा
है ये. एगिजान
है?
एलियोस.
ये अलग लग रहा है मुझे कोई तो.
अरे वो
Luke Alioski.
एलियोस की नहीं, ल्यूक एलिंग है ना वो.
हाँ सॉरी Luke Ayling है,
हाँ,
and I think this is Alioski अपना.
एलियोस की. हाँ, तो लीड्स यूनाइटेड का वाला, तो दैट इज वन, एंड लाइक ही इज अ डिसेंट डिफेंडर. So, but I don't
Yeah.
see like North Macedonia doing a lot. Goran Pandey, I think, used to play for Napoli at one point of time. Interesting player, but like I am surprised that North Macedonia are even in like Euros. But it's good.
Euros.
Like if they can provide a upset, that will be interesting for this group, because फिर difficult
यार
हो
मजा
जाएगा.
आएगा.
Yeah. So of course it will be interesting, and of course you root for underdogs. Yeah. Come on, like. If
Yeah,
they
man.
perform really well, you want them to win. Okay, I think बहुत कुछ बात
We'll
करने
start
के लिए
with the-
था नहीं था ग्रुप सी के लिए, because इतने लोग पता भी नहीं थे, and like great that these teams have done it. Okay, तो पहले हम टूर्नामेंट का प्रेडिक्टर कर लेते हैं, जिसमें हमने
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Prediction
Okay,
कर
so
लेते हैं
these
इसका.
are our yesterday's predictions: Italy, Turkey, Switzerland, Wales. Where I said Wales will be third, you say Switzerland will be third. So वो अपना देखने का है.
Switzerland.
And of course, if you remember that our predictions are that two of the predictions. So we'll be doing some predictions for all the groups. Okay, so हमारा ग्रुप ए के लिए prediction है कि 6 मैचेस में से 3 मैचेस ड्रॉ होने वाले. ग्रुप बी के लिए हमारा है कि फिनलैंड एक भी मैच एक भी पॉइंट नहीं लेने वाली है. So they are going to be like उनकी वाट लगने वाली
They're
है.
going to get crushed by every single team in their group.
ऐसे लग रहा है. Okay, so हम ऑस्ट्रिया.
Let's start it.
Okay, first तो I don't think there is any issue, Netherlands को दे देंगे.
Yeah, undoubtedly it has to be
Undoubtedly.
Netherlands first, and
Second Ukraine
second,
or Austria?
what do you think?
I'll
go with Austria. I'll go with Austria.
Okay, okay, chalo, I'll agree with you. And then Ukraine and
Ukraine. North Macedonia will be North
Okay,
Macedonia.
so एक like one prediction that I want to do is North Macedonia एक draw तो किसी के साथ करेगा. What do you think?
North Macedonia will draw a match with Austria. मेरे को लग रहा है यार.
Yeah, so
Not with Netherlands.
let's like अपना prediction game strong करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि North Macedonia एक draw करेंगे either Austria के साथ या Ukraine के साथ. So let's see how we fare from it. So cool.
Yeah.
So these are our predictions, and now we'll go back to Group D. Okay, Group D. Starts with England. This is a team to watch. This is a team to watch. It had like a टीवी पे इसका ही चल रहा था बोलबाला सब के इंग्लैंड टीम में कौन होगा कौन नहीं होगा.
You just look at this team now. Like this team is full of glamorous English superstars that play for some of the biggest names.
Absolutely. Okay, so I will take you through the England team then.
Yeah.
Or you want to do it?
No. Wait. I'll do it.
Yeah.
So, who do you want to be in the goal?
I think मेरे को कौन चाहिए वो मैटर नहीं करता. साउथगेट पिकफोर्ड को ही डालेगा तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. Yeah, exactly. Unfortunately, डिफेंडर्स में ट्रेंट अलेक्जेंडर आर्नोल्ड इंजर्ड हो गया, तो उसकी जगह बेन वाइट आ गया है. बट एनीवेज उनको 4 लाइक राइट बैक्स क्यों चाहिए थे पता नहीं, पर दे ही स्टिल पिक देम. बट आई थिंक दैट वाज अ इंटरेस्टिंग कॉल. लोगों ने बहुत गालियां डाला साउथगेट को कि कैसे किया, क्यों किया, 4 फुल राइट बैक क्या है. पर आई थिंक रीस जेम्स खेलता है लाइक इन
Hmm.
3 at the back में खेलता है चेल्सी के लिए, तो he can play if
Even
it's needed.
even this guy is also used to it na, like the defensive strategy, the Kieran Trippier, because he plays for
Yeah, yeah,
Atletico Madrid.
yeah, exactly. So मतलब Alexander Arnold and Kieran Trippier और Walker right wing back खेल सकते हैं, and right center
हाँ,
back Reece James खेल सकता है. So that's why I think
exactly.
he picked for like है. And of course Trent Alexander-Arnold can also play in midfield. अभी वो नहीं है, वो अलग बात है. पर if he would have been there, right wing पे उसको खिला सकते हैं. He has decent delivery, man. Like decent नहीं, बहुत अच्छी
Yeah,
delivery.
yeah. बहुत ही
And
अच्छी है यार उसकी.
and like they have like these two players na, Trippier bhi can score from like free kicks, and Trent Alexander-Arnold can also score from free kicks. तो उसके लिए लिया था, पर
Exactly.
अभी नहीं है ट्रेंट अलेक्जेंडर आर्नोल्ड, उसकी जगह बेन वाइट है. ओके, हु विल बी योर पिक फॉर
Unfortunately.
लाइक चार चार एट द बैक
Defenders.
डिफेंडर्स? या
Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll put a standard formation for this, like 4-3-3 हम लोग assume कर लेते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली एग्रीड.
हाँ, so yeah, so I'll start from left back. Left back, I'll go with Ben Chilwell, no doubt. And beach
सरप्राइजिंग.
में if Harry Maguire comes back, yeah, I'll start with Ben Chilwell, bro.
नॉट लुक शॉ.
क्योंकि Luke Shaw पता है मुझे. नहीं, not Luke Shaw. I'll start with Ben Chilwell.
ओके,
I want Ben Chilwell actually.
okay, but I think
Because
Southgate will start with Southgate. Let's see.
because he was also caught with that momentum now of winning the Champions League, and
Yeah,
let's do it with another.
yeah.
And center backs, I'll go with center backs John Stones first.
And Maguire.
And Maguire तो होगा, but only if he's fit. Let's assume कि he's not fit. John Stones and Connor Cody खेल सकता है
Yeah,
यार.
Connor
Cody
Cody
decent
होगा.
लगता है.
Minks was playing all these friendlies abhi,
हाँ,
so I don't
हाँ.
know, but I think और Minks का मैंने पढ़ा है, मतलब I was just reading through some stuff and he's like वो left-footed center back है, so
हाँ,
that
वही.
makes a huge difference. So passes का वो angles change हो जाता है उसके लिए, so
Right,
that's why
right.
he can go for Tyrone Minks also. But if Maguire is fit, like Maguire and Stones are playing, definitely. Right back,
And right back, I think
Walker.
किसको कौन? It has to be Walker यार. Come on.
Yeah. पेस है, डिफेंडिंग भी अच्छा करता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव
He has
लाइक
a
गुड
title.
ऑप्शंस यार, लाइक रीस जेम्स आ सकता है कभी भी, लाइक सम मैच
इसमें ब्रो तुझे पता है लाइक in these tournaments experience भी बहुत मैटर करता होगा ना. Like Walker has
एब्सोल्युटली.
won several domestic leagues as well, and he comes with that mentality कि listen, I have to go ahead and I have to come back once again,
या
and he's accustomed to it.
या आई थिंक सो वॉकर विल प्ले.
Hmm.
उनका पर प्रॉब्लम वही है कि सेंटर बैक्स अगर मैगवायर और स्टोन्स नहीं खेल रहे ना, तो दे डोंट हैव
हाँ,
दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ सेंटर बैक्स, तो वो इशू होगा उनके लिए.
हाँ,
लेट्स सी
हाँ.
हाउ इंग्लैंड
वही
डील
तो.
विद दैट.
Yeah.
I would be really happy like someone like Connor Cody steps up and like takes the mantle of being the premium center back for England, but I don't think वो ऐसा होगा. Okay, midfield 3.
मिडफील्ड जूड बेलिंगम अच्छा खेल रहा है यार. इनके पास 5 ही मिडफील्डर्स है यार. ये क्या है?
हाँ, पर like उनको 3 ही सिलेक्ट करने हैं उसमें से. So Declan Rice will start.
डेक्लन राइस
Mason Mount will
एंड
start.
मेसन माउंट ऑफ कोर्स. थर्ड कौन सा होगा? हेंडरसन या बेलिंगम
हेंडरसन का
या फिलिप?
मतलब उसका फिटनेस होगा तो हेंडरसन स्टार्ट करेगा. If he is looking for
हाँ,
something which is very defensive in that sense, like he wants to defend against team, so I think he'll go with Calvin Phillips. Jordan
हाँ.
Henderson होगा तो Henderson will play, but Henderson अगर injured होगा and he's not completing his 90
फिटनेस
minutes,
इशूज.
yeah, so
फिटनेस
defensive जाएगा तो Calvin Phillips खेलेगा. If he's looking for someone in attacking sense, तो I think he'll go for Bellingham. So he has good options in midfield अगर देखा जाए तो. So that will be very
Exactly.
interesting. Yeah.
Front line.
Front line, of course, Kane has
ये
to
तो
start.
oh my god,
If
so much of stars.
yeah, Harry Kane, like it depends on him completely where England go from here in Euros at
हाँ.
least. If he has a wonderful Euro 2021, then England is going to win this. That's what I feel. Let's see. Okay, left
Okay,
wing,
लेफ्ट विंग
Phil Foden, man.
यार स्टर्लिंग नहीं खेल सकता यार. I don't want Sterling to play.
Phil Foden then. What do you feel about Phil
Phil,
Foden?
yeah, Phil Foden, definitely Phil Foden. And on the right hand side, it has to be. नहीं यार, ये भी Rashford भी है ना.
Rashford है पर I don't think. I think Phil Foden, like Rashford is, वैसे देखा जाए तो is quite similar to Harry Kane, but Phil Foden brings in something in different. But I don't know.
हाँ,
मतलब Southgate पे depend है. मुझे पूछा जाए तो I'll put in Phil Foden and like bring
Phil Foden.
Rashford from the bench, frankly.
Okay, okay.
But Raheem
So we'll assume
Sterling,
Phil Foden.
yeah. But Raheem Sterling doesn't
And
make my cut, frankly, at the left wing.
definitely, even not mine.
Like
And
I would prefer
like,
Jack Grealish over him, frankly, if I'm given a choice. Yeah,
yeah. Right wing, Jadon Sancho.
yeah. And I think they have, that's the good thing about them. They have a player for each position. Except maybe like Dominic Calvert-Lewin can't be a replacement for Harry Kane. But he's been
Yeah.
scoring decent header goals, so it will be quite interesting
हाँ.
to see. अरे मैं इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत बार यूज करता हूँ यार. आई हैव टू फाइंड अ न्यू वर्ड मैन. मैंने कल भी मेरे
कोई
वीडियो में,
इंटरेस्टिंग शब्द ढूंढ ले अभी.
या
कोई तो
सीरियसली
इंटरेस्टिंग शब्द.
मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ तो ये वर्ड ही नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो दैट्स इंग्लैंड, गुड टीम. एंड आई वुड लाइक उनका अटैकिंग गेम बहुत अच्छा है. और अगर लाइक साउथगेट उनको फ्रीडम देता है टू डू दैट, आई थिंक इंग्लैंड विल परफॉर्म रियली वेल. आई एम सरप्राइज्ड बाय फ्यू प्लेयर्स हु हैव कम इन, लाइक बाकाया साका कैसे अंदर आया, आई डोंट नो. लाइक दे हैड स्टिल बेटर प्लेयर्स टू पिक, बट ठीक है अभी क्या. He scored a goal for them in the friendly, so पता नहीं उसको. पर I don't think he'll be starting. I think sure shot starting में मैगवायर होगा तो मैगवायर होगा, जॉन स्टोन्स होगा, मेसन माउंट will be a sure starter, Declan Rice will be a sure starter, Harry Kane will be a sure starter, and Phil Foden will be a sure starter.
I'm also surprised कि how Ollie Watkins didn't make into this squad, क्योंकि Calvin Lewin से तो मतलब Lewin से तो अच्छा है वो, Calvert Lewin से.
Yeah,
Ollie Watkins.
but like I think Dominic Calvert-Lewin सब आने पे ज्यादा like he can make a better impact on the game because of his heading ability. That's what I feel. Set pieces,
Right.
so he'll be better. So I think that's why. I don't know. Southgate का क्या thought process था पता नहीं, but that will
God
be,
knows.
yeah. Let's go for
Yeah.
Croatia
चलो,
then. Move ahead.
ओहो, ये भी टीम अच्छी है.
Uh,
गोलकीपर नहीं.
Kalinic सुना है पर बाकी तो नहीं सुना.
बाकी गेम मैंने भी नहीं सुना.
Sluga, I don't know. But I don't think उनके लिए matter करता है. They like Croatia always plays like a team, man. So they have like they always go in like you can feel like उनके पास 12-13 player है when they are really
Exactly,
playing
man.
well.
Like they have this kind of passion and the heat when they come on the
Absolutely.
field, and
And they've
the
reached
midfield is also very dominant.
not a great team. They reached the finals of like World Cup, man. That's great.
हाँ, of course.
ओके, सो डिफेंस में व्रलास को सुना है मैंने, वीडा सुना है.
Lovren.
ओ लॉवरेन है. वीडा हैज बीन दैट, ही इज अ
Oh my
क्रेजी
God,
प्लेयर.
Vida.
या
मस्त प्लेयर हो.
या मस्त प्लेयर है.
ये भी पता है, विशाल को भी पता है.
विशाल को भी पता है. एंड ठीक
And
है,
अच्छी टीम है.
पता नहीं किसको खिलाएंगे, पर
ये भी
खिलाएंगे
पता है मुझे. दूजे क्या लेता कार.
या बट किसको खिलाएंगे
को
पता
मारते.
नहीं ये क्रोएशिया में. बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो किसी को भी खिलाए तो देयर डिफेंस विल बी डिसेंट ऑलवेज.
या
मिडफील्डर्स,
मिडफील्डर कोवासिच, लुका मॉड्रिच, मार्सेलो ब्रोजोविच,
Amazing.
बडेल भी पता है,
Pasalic.
व्लासिच,
Pasalic पर
इवान पेरिसिच. राकिटिच नहीं है क्या?
रैकिटिच नहीं दिख रहा है यार. नहीं है शायद.
नहीं है, उसको नहीं लेके गए.
नहीं लेके गए. I don't think he had like a great season, or maybe he must be injured or something यार, क्योंकि होता था वरना यार. So कोवाचिच खेलेगा, मॉड्रिच खेलेगा, ब्रोजोविच भी खेलेगा. And so I think
लेफ्ट में
and Rebic खेलेगा. He had an amazing season with AC Milan this year.
या ये भी अच्छा है ब्रो. Josip Brekalo, पता है, he plays for Werder Bremen if I'm not mistaken,
So
and
right
he's a
wing पे खेलता क्या?
he plays on the left flank, left
अच्छा
or right, कहाँ पे भी खेल सकता है वो.
हाँ तो वो दोनों खेलेंगे और आई थिंक स्ट्राइकर विल बी Kramaric. He has been like he has been scoring a lot of goals German league में since a long time.
And
He
just
random
watch
team
out
से
for
रहे.
this player. Just watch out for this player, Josip Brekalo. He will be in the transfer market for sure after Euros. Just watch out.
Okay, that's another good call by Shaunak. Let's see. Okay, we move to the next team. That's Scotland. अच्छा
Oh
group
yeah,
है इनका
lads.
है. Yeah. So
Keeper I don't know.
क्रेग गॉर्डन सुना है मैंने, बाकी तो मैंने सुने नहीं है frankly.
हाँ.
I'll just go through their team. लियम कूपर of course लीड्स का प्लेयर है, बहुत अच्छा है. डेक्लन गैलेगर, ये क्या चेल्सी वाले गैलेगर का भाई है क्या? पता नहीं. ग्रांट हैनली was a Norwich player, a decent
हाँ.
right back. Then we have Andy Robertson, of course, left wing पे. Kieran Tierney again on the left wing, like left back. Stephen O'Donnell भी सुना है नाम मैंने. He used to play in the EPL for some team, but I don't remember. So decent है. लियम कूपर खेलेगा. They have Tierney, they have Andrew Robertson, they have Grant Henley. तो इसमें से बना के चार तो डिफेंडर्स अच्छे लाएंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Yeah. इनका midfield अच्छा है, लेकिन midfielders they've got
मिडफील्ड
options.
बहुत अच्छा है. I can see Stuart Armstrong, Southampton player, decent player, always putting up a performance for Southampton. Then we have John Fleck, I think Sheffield United, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we have Ryan Fraser, used to play for Bournemouth. Again, FPL में अच्छे
Bournemouth.
points देता था, अच्छा player था. Billy Gilmore is a amazing player coming up from Chelsea.
The boy from Chelsea.
Yeah, he has great future, and I think उसको chance देना चाहिए. Callum
John McGinn.
McGinn, of course, Aston Villa. Like he will be the creative force for Scotland, I feel. Amazing
Yeah,
player.
absolutely.
Of course, can't forget Scott McTominay.
Scott McTominay.
He had a great season with United, and I think he is one of the most improved players in EPL right now.
Yeah, and he was like a wall for them in
absolutely,
midfield, like
absolutely, and that's going to be amazing. So they have decent midfield. Yeah, it will be like everybody can perform. If like they perform beyond their capacity, so they can easily maybe top the group also. So ऐसे player है उनके पास. Depends on them, frankly. So like अच्छा, and of course England and versus Scotland will be interesting.
मजा आएगा, कसम से मजा
आएगा. Okay, forward Che Adams पता है. Southampton ना? Southampton.
Yeah, right.
But I think you know I read somewhere that Che Adams was actually an English player, and he moved to Scotland to play now for Scottish team. So that will be
really?
Yeah. So that will be interesting.
There was another
वापस मैंने interesting बोला यार. कितने बार
Musiala
Yeah.
Jamal Musiala पता है. He has also played for England. Yeah, he went to Germany.
अच्छा.
यार इनका मस्त रहता है.
अच्छा है. स्कॉटलैंड का भी टीम अच्छा है.
Yeah. Czech
Republic. Okay. Keeper पता नहीं.
कोई भी नहीं पता. Defenders.
Kaufal पता है because plays for West Ham United. Yeah. Thomas Kalas पता है. Thomas Kalas was Chelsea player. So वो पता है.
Really?
Yeah, he was a Chelsea graduate, like academy graduate. तो वो पता है. बाकी midfield, of course, Souček is going to be their star. Again, I think
Adam Lozek पता है मुझे. Adam Lozek, ये he's a youngster. ये मस्त player है.
और ये Vydra तो Burnley वाला है ना अपना?
I guess.
Yeah, he was in Burnley. तो ठीक है मतलब.
Bro, इनके पास Patrick Schick भी है. वो भी अच्छा player है.
अच्छा, but I have not like they have not been like performing really well. उनके बारे में सुना नहीं. I don't know. Maybe they'll perform in this year.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do predictions. Okay. First, I think England.
England. ठीक है, England.
Okay. Second, Croatia.
Scotland. A little bit of optimism for Scotland.
Okay. So तेरे लिए Scotland, मेरे लिए Croatia. Again, I think या सो मैं तेरा ही डाल रहा हूँ अभी, तो मेरा लिए
हाँ,
ये, एंड ऑफ कोर्स चेक रिपब्लिक विल बी लास्ट. एंड एनीथिंग, एनी प्रेडिक्शंस यू वांट टू डू फॉर ग्रुप डी?
ग्रुप डी,
या
Czech Republic would at least like they would spoil the party for one of the top two teams.
top two teams. So you think,
One of
so you're saying that Czech Republic will come away with a victory? That's what you're saying?
at least one. I'll just say they'll come with just one victory, and that victory would be against either England or Scotland. या नहीं Scotland नहीं, चल England या फिर Croatia ऐसा बोल देता हूँ मैं.
Okay. Okay.
I know
So
that's an overstatement, but I'll go with that.
well, that's
I'll
fine.
go
That's
with that
fine.
one.
It's okay. So अपना predictions क्या क्या है? Group A में there will be at least 3 draws. Group B में Finland will एक भी point नहीं जीतेगा. Group
Definitely.
C में Macedonia will either draw with Austria or Ukraine. And
Ukraine.
Group D में Czech Republic will win one match. That's what you are saying.
हाँ,
huh? I don't
I'm
agree with
also-
it, but चलो I take that risk. तो देखते हैं अपना
ये
prediction.
भी कह रहा हूँ कि स्कॉटलैंड सेकंड आएगा, मैं ये भी तो कह रहा हूँ स्कॉटलैंड सेकंड आने वाला है.
वो तो ठीक है, वो तो रैंक्स का प्रेडिक्शन है, वैसे नहीं, ये मैचेस
हाँ.
का प्रेडिक्शन है. लाइक
Oh,
यू
cool,
से
cool.
के इंग्लैंड, लाइक समथिंग लाइक इंग्लैंड ग्रुप स्टेज में 7 गोल मारेगा मिनिमम, ऐसा कुछ
Oh.
तो प्रेडिक्शन. So
Okay, okay.
that let's do that prediction for Group E tomorrow, and then let's see.
डेफिनेटली.
Yeah?
ग्रुप ई एंड एफ, एफ के लिए भी कर लेते हैं. एफ के लिए तो बवाल है.
F के लिए अलग कर लेंगे, वो तो यार ग्रुप
That's a
ऑफ
never-ending thing.
डेथ है, तो वो तो देखेंगे
Yeah, yeah.
कैसा है.
I feel for hungry for that one. We'll cover that in another episode.
Yeah,
don't worry.
like next. So I think we are done. We had a look at the teams. I think we have predicted what we feel. ग्रुप डी में हमारा प्रॉब्लम है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्रोएशिया सेकंड आएगा, शौनक बोल रहा है स्कॉटलैंड सेकंड आएगा. So it will be interesting, and I'll stop my share now.
Yeah, stop, yes.
Yeah, so we're back. I think we are done. We have discussed with our Group C and Group D. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about Group E and Group F. Will be an amazing discussion because बहुत अच्छी teams है उसमें. And Group
Definitely.
F में के बारे में तो बोलना ही यार, like amazing group है वो. Those
Lovely
matches
group.
gonna be amazing. So let's see कैसे होता
Let's
है.
see. And guys, please stay tuned. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Putiapa.
Putiapa.
And say your predictions in the comment box. Thank you.
Yeah. चलो bye.
You're the host.